This 2016 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 276 RKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used coachman is 31 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, water heater, skylight, stove-top burner, awning, smoke detector, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, TV, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 276 RKDS is 6,089 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.